Okay, now we can do remaining question and answer from the textbook. I hope you completed sixth question and sixth textual works, and now we can move on to the seventh one. Now make three more question and answer from the poem Teamwork. And before that, I think you have all this question and answer. Why was the kingdom lost? Why was the battle lost? Why was the shoe lost? Okay, the seventh one. Now make more question and answer from the poem Teamwork. Now I'm giving the question and answer. You can make your own. Otherwise, I'll give you. This is you can write down in the textbook itself. First one. Why was the rider lost? The rider was lost for want of a horse. Why was the horse lost? The horse was lost because of the shoe. Why was all lost? All was lost for the want of horse, shoe, nail. Okay, next eighth one. Look at the picture and answer the question in the sentence using the word clues given in the box. So here you can see one picture. Here is so many words clues. Plumber, painter, mason, electrician, laborer, carpenter, gardener. So many questions are there. You have to write down the answers. First one, who is laying the bricks? Answer is a mason is laying the bricks. First you try to write down yourself. Then only you have to use this answer key. Okay. Who is holding the ladder? A laborer is holding the ladder. Third one, who is the man on the ladder? An electrician is on the ladder. Who is making the door? A carpenter is making the door. Who is painting the walls? A painter is painting the walls. Now make up a story about the picture. Give names to the people. Write the story showing an importance of teamwork. So you have to write down by the use of this picture. Make a story. Importance of teamwork. Here you can see so many people are together working and making a home. And see this picture and you write down one story related to this picture. So you can use these clues also. So here I am giving one story. If you are interested, you can write. Otherwise, you have to try to write down. Okay. Then if there is no way to write, you have to write. You have to use this one. My grandmother was going to build a house. I wondered how the house would be made. My grandmother told me that it was timber. He asked a contractor Mukesh to build the house. Mukesh had a team of workers. His mason Lalchand and a few laborers started the build walls. And plumber Manu laid water pipes. Bhatia, electrician, did all the electrical work. Ram Swaroop, the carpenter, Ram Lohan fitted the door and window, and painter did wonderful work. I was surprised how, with the teamwork and contractor, finish all the work in a short time. Now, in a group of five, discuss what you enjoy doing alone and what you like to doing in groups. But now it is not possible to write down in a group activity, so you have to write down yourself. Think I like doing alone, think I like doing in a group. So first one, thing I like doing in alone, reading a book, doing homework, writing a poem, then doing in a group, playing games, going for a picnic, going for a swim. Now, in your family, what activities are done individually and as a group? Here, my mother decide dash. So, my mother decide what dish to cook. Next one, my father decided where to invest his money. I decide what to study. We decide where we shall go for holidays. Okay. Then the next one, in the puzzle, find the words given in the column. Notice that these words are formed by joining the words. One is done for you. Find some more such words. So here, only few words are in your textbook, but you have to find out more words and write down nearby. Here you have to write down. Sometimes everyone, basketball, nobody. Such only few words are given in the textbook itself. So you have to find out more words and write down here. So you have to use this video. Then let's write a poem that you have to write your own. Okay. So here is the answer. If you want, you can write down. Okay, number 14, write a contraction of the following phrases that you already learn in your third standard and fourth standard, there is no need of explain. I'm sure you know it. Has not, hasn't, are not, aren't, have not, haven't, do not, don't. Then write the full form for the following. Were not, were not, wasn't, was not, she will, who is. So these all are the textbook activity. You have to write in your textbook. Don't forget to write down. And these all have to write. If you have any confusion, you have to contact me. And this your own work is there. Write a poem and make a story. These are, you have to try to do it. And if you can't do it, you look this one and write down. Okay, so here is a poem. Once I'll read. I have kite but need a friend to fly with it. I know a song but need someone to hear it. I have a ball but need someone to catch it. I know a joke but need someone to share it. I have a telephone but need someone to talk to. I have a dream but need someone to join it. I have lost my way so need someone to. So you have to write down like this. So if you have any confusion, you have to call me or contact me. Okay, write down in your textbook. And thank you. Have a nice day.